Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. My current job is at Division of Family Services in Delaware as on the foster care support program team. And then my internship this past year was at Family Promise of Northern Newcastle County, which was a homeless shelter for families specifically in Newcastle County. So working with families has really been a huge part of my career since I started in this field. I previously worked for Family Court and had a few different jobs in there, such as guardianship and dependency neglect. I helped with protection from abuse hearings, and I worked under a judge as well. My current job, I don't directly work with families. My position is in the director's office, so it's more policy driven. Um, I do work with people who are wanting to become foster parents, so I work with them to set up their information session that they're supposed to attend and help answer any questions along the way. But I've been working with families since I started, so this class is going to be a really great help for me. The basic structure of my family system growing up is that I had a mom and dad, and I was lucky for my life that I had both my mom and dad in the home. I also had a little sister. I also had two sets of grandparents. I had cousins on each side of my family, and we were all very lucky that growing up we were very close with each other. Um, a role that I had played in my own family would be daughter and granddaughter. I've been a daughter to my parents. Now I'm 30 years old and out of their house, and when they need help, I'm able to help them. And same here, they're able to help me. We have conversations weekly, and we visit each other as often as we can. And I've also been a granddaughter to my grandparents and a niece to my aunts and uncles. So in this class, I am excited to learn more about different family systems, family therapy. Um, I hope to learn more about some of the theories, such as systems theory, and how that plays a part in group and family therapy. And I don't really have any burning questions, but I am very excited to continue with this journey. Good luck, everyone.